Welcome back to the shop, guys. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we got a super cool product review. Now, you guys love watching our videos where we talk about detailing tips and tricks, but today I got a new product that was sent over by our friends at the Detailer's Helper. Now, our friends at the Detailer's Helper have designed a unique detailing system that is designed to help enthusiasts and professional detailers, and it seriously is called the Detailer's Helper. Now, check this bad boy out. This is the Detailer's Helper. So I want to say thanks a lot, guys, at the Detailer's Helper for sending us this cool belt to use in our videos and to use in our training as well. And you're going to be able to see a lot more of this product being used when we do detail jobs where we have to do full details, or hardcore jobs where we've got to take a lot of products. So what is the Detailer's Helper? This is an actual belt that's designed to hold all of your products while you detail. Now, I've been detailing cars my entire life, and a lot of times you're holding bottles, you're holding towels, you're holding accessories, and you might lose them, you might set them down. It's hard to keep track of everything. Well, guess what? The Detailer's Helper belt helps you with that. That's why it's called the Detailer's Helper. So this belt actually has a variety of different pouches and pockets. They can be set up any different way. It's actually a Velcro strap right here, which opens up, and then you can move and change around the configuration of the belt. So there's small pouches, there's also a super big pouch, and there's different size pouches for towels, brushes, accessories, and then one right here for your 16-ounce or 32-ounce bottle. Now, this is on a super wide nylon belt, so it's going to be very comfortable when you're detailing. Has a quick release on the front that allows you to quickly connect and disconnect the belt. And then it also comes with a few cord holders. So if you're doing buffing, or you're using a machine polisher or a carpet scrubber or any type of tool, you can hang the cord so it doesn't flop against the car or flop against the vehicle and create scratches. Now, the cool thing is I've actually seen them use this belt when they detailed Air Force One. A bunch of guys with the International Detailers Association and my buddy Rennie Doyle, they actually detailed the Air Force One airplane, and they use these belts where they're climbing on the side of the plane and they need to hold their bottles. Now, also, I noticed when I got the belt is it has a little cover. So this little cover right here actually slides over this buckle. It actually moves. See if I can make it move. I'll actually show you a little bit more when we put it on. There we go. It actually covers the buckle, so when you're working on the car, you don't have a chance of that buckle scratching your vehicle. It's an amazing thing. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this on. Let's go ahead and move this over, and let's put this on, see how it fits. This is pretty nice. I like this. Look at this. I set it up this way with some easy to use pockets right here, so I can put my cell phone when I detail if somebody calls a job. And then I put my bottle bag on my right hand side, because I usually have my bottle in my right hand. I'm spraying and wiping with my left hand. And then also I put bags in the back so I can keep my my towels or my brushes in the bag. And it really does seem like an amazing tool. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys. We're gonna move over to the car and we're gonna do a little bit of detailing and show you guys how well it works. So we'll see you guys in a moment. So now I got the Detailer's Helper belt all loaded up with all my gear. We're out here detailing and filming some videos on this AMG Mercedes. So let's see how well the belt really does when we're using it on the car. Now, I buckled it up. I put the cover over the buckle, which is really good. And let me show you guys how I have my pockets configured on here. Remember, this is like an infinite configuration setup, so I can actually like move these around, or I can use less bags if I want. So right here on the left side right here, I got my cell phone. As a detailer, I always got to keep my cell phone around. You never know when somebody might call you, client might call you, you might need to make a phone call. You always need it. Now, there's a bigger pocket right here which can hold brushes and accessories as well. I have another bottle in here. I put some interior detailer. There we go. I have that in here. Now, on the back side, I have a bag with some towels. These are pretty cool. And if you notice, these bags actually have it's like a piece of insert inside of the bag itself, which actually holds the bag open. So that's why I put my towels in the back, because I can actually just reach behind my back and grab the towel out with no problem. And then I can actually put it back in with no problems as well, because the bag stays open. It's not like I have to like reach open in the bag. Now, this belt is heavy. It's weighed down now with a bunch of different products. I have more bottles over here. I have a bottle of Tire and Trim Shine. And then I also have a bottle of Masterson's Carnauba Wax. So I pretty much have all my products that I've been using on the car today. And then right here with the Detailer's Helper logo bag, I put the Waterless Wash and Shine. That's my #1 product that I've been using on this car. So let's go ahead and show you guys how well this works. So I'm gonna go ahead and go down to this door, come over here. I'm gonna do some waterless washing. Now, I like this because I'm bending down right now and all of my products, nothing's touching the ground, which is actually kind of cool. Even the long pocket right here, which I have filled up, it's not touching the ground. So I'm able to go ahead and spray the whole vehicle. Let's just go ahead and just do my normal detail routine as I would normally do. So I'm gonna take my microfiber towel, I'm just gonna start cleaning. And this is super easy. I like this belt. This is a really good design. It feels nice. And thanks a lot, guys, for sending us this belt. This is something we will really use on a daily basis out here. Now let's give it a test right here. I'm gonna put this towel down. Let's go ahead and reach behind me and pull out some more towels. There we go, that wasn't that hard. Let's go ahead and put one towel down, and then I'm gonna take this other towel and let's see if I can put it back in the bag. Oh look, I was able to put it back in the bag. No problems, okay? That was great. Okay? Let's take the towel and let's just give it a nice buff. There we go. This is a great tool, guys. So if you guys are looking for a nice accessory for detailing, whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, this has a lot of benefit, and I really like it. So this is pretty cool. I could totally see myself using this tool in my daily routines because anything you can use as a detailer that makes detailing easier and more efficient and faster, I'm all for that. That's something I'm all for. Here we go. Now look, I just cleaned that door panel. It was pretty easy, and I'm not having to worry about my towels getting on the ground. That's something I'm always worried about, is my towels getting on the ground and me losing my products. But guess what? Here we go. I put it right in my bag, and I can move on, and the bag and the belt actually feels very heavy duty. This is not a little skinny belt. This belt's designed to have some weight on it. So if you have like polishing bottles, full bottles on there, this is gonna be great for that. Okay, so what's my conclusion about the Detailer's Helpers belt? Well, I'm gonna give this one 2 thumbs up, family. I mean, this is truly amazing. This is something that I could use on my daily detailing, when I do videos, when I travel. I do a lot of traveling around the world, and this is something that's great for that because it allows me to have all of my products like in really ease use. And I'm really excited to try this while buffing because I do a lot of buffing, a lot of polishing, and this little cord right here where I can hang stuff, that's gonna be the best because I'm gonna put my buffer cable in there and I'm gonna be buffing and I'm not having to worry about the cable flopping around in the car. What I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna take this cable and I'm actually gonna link it to the back side. I'm gonna move it, and then I'm gonna run the cable over my shoulder and through the back, and that way we're gonna have a great detailing experience. And I'm also gonna try this while detailing motorcycles, because when I detail motorcycles, I'm moving around a lot. It's such a small area that I don't like setting things on the ground, and there's really nowhere to set the bottle. You don't wanna set the bottle on a motorcycle, so why not have a bag for it? And that way I don't lose anything. I'm not sitting or leaning on my phone anymore. I have a phone right here. I don't wanna lean on that while I'm making a video or I'm detailing a car. So, hey, this is an A1, an A+ product right here, #1, I would say. So thanks a lot, guys, Detailer's Helper, for sending in this belt. If you guys want to check them out, go over to their YouTube channel, their Facebook, follow them as well. And remember, always follow mastersonswax.com and our YouTube channel, as well as our Facebook, mastersonswax.com. And also facebook.com/Masterson's Car Care as well. Now, if you guys want to check this out more, we're probably going to be having this available on our website really soon. So check out our website and follow us on all of our social medias to find out when the Detailer's Helper is going to be available on our website. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. If you guys out there want us to try your product, you got a cool tool that you like for detailing, go ahead and send us. I'm going to put our mailing address right down here in the description. So if you have any other cool tools, maybe you've made a tool for detailing that you think could change the world, go ahead and send it to us and we'll feature it right here on our YouTube channel. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.